She's so good with people, but she's also good with other dogs. It's okay, sweetie. She's darling. Here, sweetie, talk with this puppy here. Yeah, here with the puppy. She wants to be with all the volunteers around. Look, she's doing. She did fine. We have a puppy here, and she's all wagging tail all the time. She did super fine, but she doesn't care here for the dogs. She just want to be with the volunteers when they're walking around. She's very darling.
Okay, girl.
We had a dog reacting over there, and she didn't care. Here, sweetie, say hi to them. Here. Here, Mama. See? Wagging tail. Hi, Maminha. Good girl. That's Rain. She loves that employee walking over there. Look at that. Look at her tail. I know you love her. Okay. 700 Shelter, California. Please call right now. This is Rain. Very darling. Hi, Gretchen. Hi.